Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking the exact audio you want. Choose a 30 to 60-second section so it fits ringtone limits. Once selected, make sure the file is in a compatible format like MP3 or WAV and normalize peaks so it won't clip. Prepare your phone specifics and transfer method, USB, cloud, or AirDrop, so you won't stall later. You'll edit precisely, so open your audio editor now and import the chosen clip. This immediate action keeps momentum and avoids unnecessary setup delays. Now you refine the clip. Trim the exact start and end so the recognizable hook plays within 30 to 40 seconds. Once done, apply a short fade in or out of 0, 5 to 1, 5 seconds to avoid abrupt cuts, and use EQ and light compression to make the melody sit cleanly on small phone speakers. Make sure to remove background noise and check levels. Export at 44, 1 kHz and 128 to 256 kbps, or the format your phone prefers, to ensure consistent playback. Finally, transfer the exported file to your phone and assign it. On Android, copy to Ringtone's folder and select in Settings. On iPhone, convert to M4R and sync via Finder/iTunes or use a supported app. Once transferred, verify contact-specific assignment if desired and test volume and loop behavior. If something goes wrong, make sure the duration, file format, and bitrate match your phone's requirements. A quick re-export with adjusted settings usually fixes playback or import errors without redoing the whole process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.